Hello everyone, how are you all? Today's topic is how to organize fabric. So we use a lot of methods to organize fabric. Let me show you the method number 1 that I used and it did not work out. So I'm going to be using method number 2 that helped me in organizing my fabrics, as well as I can indulge into purchasing a lot more fabric due to that. And it sorts my problem off. I hang my fabric and it looks beautiful. So let's get started. I will show what I did. I am today trying to put another style. What I did was, first when I started, I just fold them as the size of my I'll show you what I'm saying. Method number 1, we always do whenever we buy the fabric and we are done using it, we fold them and stack them. We fold them and stack them, right? And then where you want the bottom fabric, we try to push it out, and that's what happens. It trips down. You got your fabric though. Isn't it funny? Yeah, it is. But we don't want that to happen. So I'm going to show you method number 2. Trying to fold these fabrics into, first you can fold it nicely, iron them if you want, then fold them in quarters like this, as small as you can. And for neater look, you can fold all of them first. Then take this skirt hangers. I have a lot of them. Whenever I buy skirts, I keep them. And you can hang your fabric, or you can put wherever possible in your wardrobe, or like I have this cupboard and I'm going to hang this fabric right inside. I'm going to show you in a minute how I do it. So let me put all the possible skirt hangers on the fabric and I'll get back to you. Hello. I am done folding and putting them into hangers. I'm going to show you how I did, and then we are going to start putting it in the cupboard. Yeah, I had a small, whatever size hangers I had available in my house, I just did it with them. So I have a lot of silk fabric and I love stitching with silk. That's why. So I'm going to show you. I have already started with one. I'm going to put like this. Or you can put the neater side in front and let the thready side go at the other side. And then you can add a rod anywhere in your house or apartment, wherever your sewing place is. Plus what I've done here is I have added this huge fabrics which are in they are like too heavy or too thick and they fold really fat. I don't want to hang them here, so I'm placing them, just piling up one after another. And what the best part about this heavy fabric is they don't trip over each other. So when I want to pull this, I'll be able to pull by pushing out like this, and still it will be neater than at least putting the smaller fabric and stacking them one on another. So this is a better idea, I felt. So I'm keeping the heavier fabrics. I'm not going to hang them here. I'm going to just put them one on another and just stacking them. And I folded because I just had that corner space, so I folded them really narrow like this. You can actually fold the fabric however is the space availability. If you have a broader space, you can do broader. I had a narrower space that I had available for the fabrics, so I am just putting the narrow fold and I'm going to add them there. Let's start with all the other fabrics that I have done in the hanger and let's put them in the cupboard. So here we come to an end. All the fabrics are hanged and they are stacked on one another. You can see here I've stacked them. They are this tall and these are all lined up till here. These are all my fabrics that I've hanged. Okay, now one more trick that I did here was wait, let me show you what I'm saying. I had some baby clothes and baby hangers. So I have this stacking skirt hanger. You can just put it on the hanger. It stacks another clothing right below that. So you can use these style of hangers as well. If you have, you can put at the mouth of one, so you don't have to like clumsily do one on like each hanger takes a lot of place. So if you have something to stack and put the hangers like this, you can try out that as well. So what that was one of the saviors which I tried in couple of garments. Like this had a lesser cloth. See, this had just one fabric, so I stacked another like three fabrics I've clubbed here, and I've stacked here, and I've used again this one to get from here and actually hold the fabric below, and it reduces my space and allows me to store one more fabric. See, like this. I don't have more than this. Everything that I had, I have placed them, and everything other than these, I've stacked them. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you have fabric issues and you're just like me looking for place inside your house or inside your wardrobe, rather than buying a new furniture piece, you can simply put a rod and try to hang the fabrics like this, or you can use a little bit space from your closet and try to hang your fabrics. So thanks for watching. This was specially for people who are frustrated with stacking the fabrics and who have a lot of fabrics and they are sewing fans just like me. So enjoy. I hope you enjoy doing it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe for more such organization tips.